Hi, welcome to Crafting Cars. Today I'm going to be shedding some light on replacing your fog lights on your 2016 Subaru BRZ.
Oh shit.
So to replace these, all that we're going to do is we're going to remove these three body panel clips here. That'll give us access to be able to slide our hand in there and unscrew the bulb. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I stuck my hand in there, swapped the bulb out, got access to it. This one's already starting to look a little crusty and on its way out, so it's a good thing that we went in there and replaced them. I have it powered up so you can kind of see. It might not show up on the camera very well, the difference between the two fog lights. This one here is obviously the one that we have changed. And now all that you do is the same thing to the other side. Well, I got the other side done. While I was on this side, I noticed there was a lot of debris and stuff that we had accumulated on the road over the time of driving the car. So I'm going to take this opportunity to go in there, vacuum everything out, a little less rattles going down the road. Gotta get in there good. Oh yeah. That's a lot of debris. That's a lot of damage. Now, to check out our handiwork. Looks yellow.